Question number 1. How is poverty defined in your country? The country that I chose is Laos. An article titled Rural Poverty Portal states in 2010 the population is 6,200,894. The total number of rural poor is 1,313,076. The article goes on to say the country has made impressive progress in economic growth, with the proportion of poor people falling from 39% of the population in the mid-1990s to 27.6% in 2010. Poverty and extreme poverty are most common in mountainous regions, where the majority of the country's ethnic minority peoples live. In upland areas, the poverty rate is as high as 43%, compared with about 28% in the lowlands. The poorest group in the lowlands are those who have resettled from mountain regions. In general, the most disadvantaged households are located in areas that are vulnerable to natural disasters, have no livestock, include a large number of dependents, and are headed by women. Laos population below poverty line stated in 2013 that 22% of the population lives in poverty. Question number 2. Estimate the income for a family living in poverty. Determine the family's needs to live for 1 week. Develop a weekly budget for this family, including housing and food. The annual income for my family of 3 is $1,200. This means per week we have $25 to live on. We own our own house that we built out of bamboo and tin. We do not have running water, but we have a river nearby. We use the river to bathe and the woods for a bathroom. We do not have electricity either. We use candlelight or kerosene lamps and coal to cook with. Our needs are food, water, and transportation. Cost of living in Laos states milk is $1.85, bread is $1.95, rice is $1.11, eggs are $1.82, chicken breast $5, water per bottle is 51 cents, fruit $4.25, and a one-way ticket to the market is 74 cents. Altogether for the total for the week, cost of food, water, and transportation is $27.10, which goes over our budget by $2.10. Question number 3. One of the children becomes ill on Wednesday. What happens? Rural healthcare needs have clinics and hospitals where mid and low-level practitioners have minimal training and limited resources, says Health Leadership International. I would take my child to the nearest clinic. There is no such thing as appointments, so I arrive and take a number. I wait in a waiting room with many other families. When my number is called, the doctor diagnoses my child and gives me medicine, and we are then sent home.